Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm proud to say that we're expanding our mid-pipe line to SUV, which is X3M, X4M, F97, F98. This is also the S58 motor that's in the M3, M4 that we're well known for our mid-pipes in. But this is a little bit of a different design because the downpipe, the cross pipe is actually different. Let's do a walk around to this and I'll point out some of the similarities and differences between this and the M3, M4. All right, so this is a brand new X3M. This one's Brooklyn gray. It has thick red interior. If you guys know or follow the shop, we had one of these before the G80s were released, sort of as so we could test, so we could tune the car. I ended up getting rid of that when we got the green G80 that everyone's seen. So let's go inside and take a look how this is similar but different from the M3, M4. So if any of you guys with the G80 are watching, you'll notice that this is so close to the G80 interior. Steering wheel is the same, gauge system is the same, auto trans shifter, this is the new M knob for all the autos and everything. Used to be the same for the DCT back in the day, but this is the new one. So this whole interior actually carries over from the G80, G82, which was part of the facelift for this update. The seats, these are the non-carbon. These are like almost the same. Probably I would say it's the same as the non-carbon G80 seats. So if you guys got an M3, M4 without the carbon seats, you're really familiar with these. These are great seats. They're super comfortable. They were great on my other X3M. So this is basically an auto trans M3, M4 that's lifted. Wheel and tires are the same. A lot of the car drives the same. To me, I mean, these are cool because it's almost like a wagon. I mean, this is almost our touring that we will never get, but you can. So interior of this is super nice, has the carbon fiber. This is just a super nice car, especially for the money. I think there's a lot of value in this car, being in the 80s. A lot of the stuff from Audi, a lot of the stuff from Porsche, to me, the value is in this BMW. All right, so we had a lot of requests for interior audio in the front two driver's seats because people want to know if there's drone, they want to hear startup and all of that. So I'm going to take you through that right now, all the different. Valves closed, just normal driving. So what I can do is I can go ahead and open the valves up. So it's an auto, so that was a downshift. We do paddle downshift. About to 55 miles an hour, just at not even full throttle, but almost about 80% throttle. So that's all the sound clips and video clips of our mid-pipe, which proves again that it makes it sound from a Lexus to a BMW M car. And these are going to be available soon. Check out the link below on the website to place your order. If you ever need performance and maintenance, click the link below. Give us a call at the shop. We're always here. We're enthusiast owned, and this stuff matters to us. This is our life. This is my life since I was a kid. So stay tuned to more videos, and thanks for watching.